Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto chocolate chia seed pudding. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. We're going to make chocolate chia pudding, and it is pudding that's keto made out of chia seeds. It's so delicious. It's so easy. It's kind of like a hot cereal, something that you can have for breakfast in the morning. So let's get started with this. We've got all of our ingredients here, and essentially we're just going to pour them all into this saucepan and stir it all up, heat them up until the chia seeds thicken, and that's what makes the pudding. The chia seeds get thick and makes it thick. Okay, we're going to start off with 3/4 of a cup of water. My pan's already nice and hot. And I've got 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of powdered keto-friendly sweetener. This is Swerve, but you could use erythritol or Lakanto, whichever one you prefer. Got a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and finally, we've got a 1/2 cup of chia seeds. Chia seeds are perfectly keto. They are essentially almost 0 net carbs. They have equal amounts, whatever carb they have equal amounts of fiber. So they're just little balls of fiber, essentially. They're really good in puddings because it's like a really nice filling hot cereal. We're going to let this cook. We're going to let our ingredients melt and dissolve, and then our chia seeds are going to expand and get thick, and then this will be done. Okay, and in a matter of minutes, our chocolate chia pudding is done, and look at how thick that is. If you wanted it thinner, it just depends on your personal preference. You could just add a little bit of water. I wouldn't add any more heavy cream or anything like that because that's really not going to thin it out as well as water will. And this is already pretty creamy. So I would just, if you want it thinner, add some water. But this is ready. We're going to divide this out. Okay, let's divide this out. This makes 4 servings, but I've just got 2 bowls here, so I'm just going to eyeball it. But what you would want to do is make sure that you measure it out, get your servings right, and then you can store this in the refrigerator for breakfast for the week. You can top it with some berries, you can top it with keto whipped cream. What else could you top it with? Chocolate chips. More chocolate the better, right? So let's get a taste. It's hot, so I'm gonna blow it. So good. Has such a good chocolate flavor, and I love this for breakfast meal prep. Another recipe that is great for keto breakfast meal prep is my keto breakfast casserole, so be sure you check out that recipe. Check out this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.